Good morning sa inyong lahat. Ang topic natin ay about mathematical description of wave to speed of transverse wave. So, sa mathematical description of wave, kailangan muna natin maintindihan yung mechanical wave and we will describe its properties mathematically. So, ano ba ang mechanical wave? Mechanical wave can be classified according to how the particles in the medium move relative to the movement of wave pattern. So dito sa mechanical wave, kailangan natin maintindihan din yung periodic wave. Ano ba ang periodic wave? Periodic wave is a disturbance that has a predefined rate of repetition. That is, the disturbance doesn't appear and then goes away. Instead, it continues to persist repeatedly with no end, with each disturbance consisting of an exact replica of the previous ones. So, sa periodic wave, ito yung picture niya. Makikita natin dito, ito yung wave, then ang tawag dito sa pagitan na to, wavelength, and dito naman, simula sa tuhod, ito yung amplitude na tinatawag. Now, there are two types of periodic wave, which is the transverse wave and longitudinal wave. What is transverse wave? Transverse wave, it is the transfer energy in a direction perpendicular to the direction of the disturbance of the medium. So, although all points of wave are constrained to move only up and down, wave pulses move perpendicularly to the length of the string. So the next meaning is, it may consist of more than one pulse. Sa transverse waves, consisting of many pulses result when the wave source oscillates about some equilibrium position for long periods of time. And these are the picture of the transverse wave. There is a wavelength, crest, amplitude, and throw. The crest, it is the high point of wave, and the wavelength, ang amplitude, ito, yung pagitan nito, amplitude, it is the maximum height of a rest or depth of a throw relative to the normal level. And then yung throw, ito yung the low point of wave. Then the next is the speed of transverse wave, which will be tackled by Kanika.